Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see first message on Messenger without scrolling. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store. So once you open Play Store, you simply need to search here, tap scroll, and here you can see different websites, different apps. You simply need to download the first app, that is tap scroll. You can see logo here, and after that you simply need to click on open, and you simply need to turn that app on from here. So click on agree, and after that you need to allow permissions from here as well. Okay, so once you done that, you simply need to go back, turn that on from here. After that you need to go back and you need to open Messenger. So let me open, and after that once you tap on to the screen from here, and let me show you in the conversation. So let me select this conversation. So once you click here, it will automatically tap here like this. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.